So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Miss May. I'm a first grade teacher here in Houston, Texas. This is year 18 for me, and my videos on my channel talk a lot about classroom management, building relationships with your students, and a little bit of organization. So this classroom management video is about how my kids turn in their finished work. These are just hanging file folders that I purchased off of Amazon. The crate I got at Target, I believe. I got this at Target because Walmart was out, but I usually get these from Walmart or Target, you know, reasonable priced. And then again, like I said, the file folders come from Amazon. And so each kid gets a tab with their name on it, alpha order. So it's very simple, because I like this system too, because like if I have kids who are being monitored for certain things, and like the diag or the speech pathologist or someone needs to see some of their work, they can just find their name, take it out, possibly run copies if they need to, or you know, just take a look and take some mental notes or whatever. So I find that's easy for when people come in versus me trying to find them work and blah blah blah. It works easier. Okay, so then I just model for my kids. So I'm just gonna have my kids kind of talk to you guys about what it looks like, what the process is, and all that good stuff, because I feel like it's better if they can tell you versus me just telling you, and you know, you hear it from their mouths. They're the ones that do it every single day. So I thought it would be great to show you guys them modeling and telling you what it looks like. So the other day we did this, and I'm gonna show it to you. So I hope you enjoy. I just want to talk about our situation here. Okay, this is the what is this called? Who can tell us what this is called? What's this called, Tay?
It's called the finished crate.
The finished crate. This is where your finished folders go, right? Who has a folder in here? Who has a folder in here? Oliver? Everyone has a folder in here. And what is the purpose of this crate? What's the purpose, Vincent?
You put finished work in the folder.
You put finished work in the folder. Okay, that's what happens. We put finished work inside the folder. Now, when you put finished work in there, I'm just gonna get an example. Okay, here's Joseph's. Okay, and actually, let me get a bigger one. So Joseph has his handwriting packet. He's finished with it. He puts it in the crate. He puts it in his folder that's in the crate. I'm seeing some thumbs down. I'm seeing some of this. I'm seeing some of this. I'm seeing some. What is the problem? Elliot, tell us, love.
You don't put it that way.
Okay, so we don't put it this way. This way is the vertical way. Everybody say vertical?
Vertical.
We put it the
Horizontal.
Everybody say horizontal?
Horizontal.
We put it the horizontal way. We place it inside the folder the horizontal way. Not the vertical. Everybody say no vertical.
No vertical.
That's right. Yes, horizontal.
Yes, horizontal.
Goes in that way. Why do we put it in horizontal? Why do we place our work horizontally and not vertically? Why? Who can tell us that reason? Why? Emma?
Because if somebody has something that they have to put in there, they can't find their name.
If somebody has to put something in their folder, it's hard for them to find their name because our names are nice and neat on the top. So it's hard if your name is behind, let's just say this paper here, and you're trying to find your name, it's hard to see with this paper in the way. But this way we can see everyone's name nice and neatly, right? Correct? So we don't need to come to Miss May and say, Miss May, I'm done with this, do we?
No.
We don't need to come to Miss May and say, Miss May, what do I do? I'm finished. Do we do that? No. That's a big no, because everyone in here is independent. Correct?
Yes.
Everybody is. So there's no need to do that. So then once you place your work in here, okay, what do you do? Like all your work is done and you've placed everything in here, so you have nothing else to do. What's your next step? What are you going to do, Joseph?
Go in your blue folder and find some stuff to do.
Go inside your blue folder, find something to do, which is located on the I'm finished now what board. Now, let's say you're done with everything out of your blue folder. All the work is done. You put it in here. What can you do then? What can you do, Zuri?
You can work out of the green folder.
I don't do what now?
You can work out of the green folder, like your math folder.
Oh, she's saying that you can do something from the finished folder or finished board, and one of those is you can play a math game out of your math folder, right? Plenty of things that you can choose from. But the main thing is our crate. This lets Miss May know that you are finished with your work. I can check your work and then send it on home. Capiche? We have our folders, right?
Yeah.
Teachers, pardon this interruption. This is the last call for any students that needed to have their photo made
But I didn't see that.
in the gym. The photographers will be packing up. If you had any students arrive after you went to a large group, would you please send them to the photographer?
So let's talk about the folder. Do we take our folder out and then put the work in?
No.
Why shouldn't we do that? Zuri, tell us why. What did you say?
So, when I see the paper, when I take my folder to the paper at the bottom.
Because it puts some papers at the bottom, and they get scrunched down there, and it's hard to move this back and forth when there's papers at the bottom, right?
And then they will get all crumbled.
And they'll get all crumbled up. So in the past, we've seen where that's happened. So we've talked about the importance of, we don't take these out. There's no need to take it out. When you're done with something, all you have to do is just open up your folder nice and big and just place your work in there. Okie dokie?
Okie dokie.
This system here is really good. I usually try to check work twice a week, and then I'll do like half the class one day, and then I'll do the last half another day. I'm not doing everybody's all at the same time. So very easy, simple system. I think you'll love it and enjoy it. Give it a try. If you do and it works for you, leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.